Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Fresh Cash Friday. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Right now, looking here at the QQQ, we did I'm trying to see. I don't think there's much of a gap here. Not really much of a gap. We're pretty much right where we closed at yesterday. Maybe a small, like 10 point, 20 point gap on the NASDAQ right now, but we got the VWAP right there. We got the 14 EMA here on the QQQ. We got a pivot point down there at 371 and 373 to the upside. So good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Fresh Cash Friday. The plan today is make money and get the hell out of here. In and out, baby. We want to make money easy. We want to get out of here quick. We like that quick and easy money, right? Quick, easy, in, out, later. See you later kind of thing. So let's see how we go. Let's pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it off. All right, all right. It's time to party. All right. So take a look here at the NASDAQ. Right now, the NASDAQ got a pivot point there at the 73s. We got the VWAP right there. We got this gap. A lot of stuff kind of going on here. 77 to the 80 level. We had a little bit of a recent kind of high. Looking like a little bit of a W right now. W, Wieland, money, Fresh Cash Friday. I don't know. We'll see. Right now, just getting ready for the market open. We're sitting at that key level right here at the VWAP right now. If you're looking at the NASDAQ right now and you're looking at TradingView, you got to be careful today because TradingView already rolled forward contracts. So you might see, this is actually the wrong one on this chart actually. Here we go. Change it over to the September contract. TradingView automatically rolls it forward if you're on the NQ exclamation mark. So you got to be careful there. It might look a little different, but we should pretty much be ready to go here. The market is now open, not open, but market's ready to go today. We had that big move yesterday, overnight, a big move as well from the about 100-point move overnight here from 3 a.m. down. Pretty, sometimes I feel like maybe I should start, you know, just waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning and trading. I don't fucking know. Sometimes it's hard. I mean, I did that in Hawaii. I don't know if I want to do it again here on the East Coast, waking up at 3 in the morning, but maybe not a bad idea, to be honest. Maybe not a terrible idea. Right now, the NASDAQ kind of pushing back up here off of that VWAP level. Both the ES and the NASDAQ VWAP there. And we're trading on September contracts. September contracts, guys. September contracts. You guys haven't hit that like button, you know what to do. It's free to like, by the way. I see everybody that's, we got 300 people watching, 66 likes. It's Fresh Cash Friday. I'm going to get it quick. I'm going to get it easy today. I want to make the money. I want to get out of here. I got things to do. I'm heading down to the Keys, do a little bit of fishing, look at a boat. So my goal today is just to make some quick money and get out of here, right? In and out, baby. I like that easy money. Right now, looking here, somebody asked, are we bullish? Are we bearish? Got a couple things to look at here. We got this pivot point. If we can get back above this pivot point here on the NASDAQ, get above this level, that 340 overnight high is up there to think about for a push to try to take out that high. Kind of try to push up here and take out this high up here and then see what happens. But really it comes down to if we can get above this pivot point here, I think at open. get above the pivot point, stay above the VWAP there. Also, looking at the ES right here, kind of similar setup here for the ES. The ES has the VWAP. It's got the pivot point right there as well. 4,000. Is this the right one? This might be the wrong one. Hold on one second. ES September. Yeah, 4,455 here on the ES right now at that pivot point there. So pivot point, VWAP, and that also kind of where we closed at yesterday. So what is that, like three things sitting right there. Looking at a boat, I need to explain what's going on. What do you mean? Buying a boat, going fishing. See you later. Peace. What I need to explain? Party, drink Bacardi, you know what I mean? Right now, the market pulling back here. Back to this VWAP, back to the pivot point. Will she got to get back through that kind of 80 level here for the bulls? But right now, the ES sitting right there at that pivot, right there at the VWAP. We got the gap fill, and we'll see how this kind of plays out here. If we get a little squeeze today, kind of getting tighter and tighter, looking like one of these right now on the ES. Looking like one of these setups. We saw this setup the other day, and we broke to the downside. So will it be a repeat? Will we break out here? Pretty easy setup here, I would say, to kind of figure out which way this wants to go from here. And same thing with the NASDAQ. Very similar. Had that little double for me. W, kind of a double bottom down there right now. But yeah, we'll see how this plays out here. Pretty much just waiting to see if we can get above that kind of 90 level here at open. Right now, the dollar pushing up there. Dollar pushing up. The NASDAQ, the ES, both at a pivot point right now. At the VWAP on the QQQ. Hourly chart, kind of riding that trend line there as well. Right there at the VWAP. We got this pivot point down there on the QQQ, 371.37. Maybe we dip down there, bounce off that pivot. Maybe. Inverse head and shoulders, somebody said. Inverse head and shoulders. Yeah, kind of. Broader. The spider right here. What is it doing? What are you doing, bro? Get out of here. What the hell? It's a spider. Turn into Superman. Spider-Man. You guys haven't hit that like button. Help me out. Come on, guys. It's Fresh Cash Friday. I heard if you hit the like button, you make more money. Make more money. Got about another 21 minutes here. I don't think there's no numbers today, right? No numbers today. I don't think so. You got Fed Vice Chair for Supervision Barr speaking at 9 a.m., but there's like some one-star numbers at 10 o'clock. Nothing too crazy here. One-star numbers. If it ain't 3 stars, I don't want it. All right. Just sitting back here, watching what happens. Pretty much looking like a little flag setup here. If we hold this VWAP level, get back above the 80s, we try to push the 300s up there on the book map right now. We got liquidity there at the 82s. And then liquidity up there at the 300s. A lot of liquidity there at the 82s. A lot of liquidity right there. So we'll see how she plays. And then over here on the 15-minute chart with the Lux Algo setup, you can see kind of the VWAP the setup here. Pushed up into this 90 level from earlier, double top so far. And I would think after 300, you got this kind of 30 to 40 level up there for possible target through the 300s. That overnight high, right? Overnight high sitting up there. So could act as kind of a magnet. Try to push up into this level if we hold here at the VWAP at open with that pivot point, with the VWAP. Both the ES and the NASDAQ both sitting right at the VWAP, right at a pivot. We got the little bit of a gap fill to the upside here as well. So it's looking juicy. But also, you know, hey, things happen. I think pretty much we just need to kind of hold here at the 70s, this VWAP level at open. And then, I mean, I can draw lines on charts all day and make things look good, but doesn't mean the market's going to go. And right now, pushing up there, I'm trying to get up that 80 level. They moved that liquidity on the 80s up to the 85s now, so it's sitting up in here in the 85s. Both the ES and the NASDAQ holding at the VWAP for now. For now. Get it pumping, baby. Get it pumping. Oh, baby. Fresh Cash Friday. It's fresh. It's Friday. It's cash, baby. We like it. We like that money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. All right, all right. It's kind of holding here right now, going into open. Really at a key level here for the NASDAQ, for the ES. You got to get through that 80 level here. VWAP 70, so that's pretty much the setup right here. If we don't hold the 70s here, I think, well, we probably move pretty quickly back down here into the 40 level, and then you got that low down there at the 20s. So again, denied there at the 80s, pulling back into the 70s right here. Do we lose it? There's liquidity at the 67s too on the book map there. I mean, liquidity can be up and down. They pulled out liquidity there, or they sold into it. You can see the volume came in there. I don't think they actually sold into it. It looks like they just pulled it and moved it down. Like most of the volume so far this morning kind of traded here in the 80s. A lot of volume traded here in the 80s. You can see here if you look, check this out. See how most of that volume's been traded in this level here? Well, look at kind of this gap, I would say, between like 300 and the 325, or even like this 90 level up there to the 325s. So this gap right here, I think if we can get through that 300 level, it's a quick push through this up there to the 25. So we'll see. We'll see. Like I said earlier on Twitter, my plan is to basically make easy money this morning and then get out of here. I want to be done by 10 o'clock. Fresh Cash Friday. I'm not sitting here all Friday after all Friday long trying to make the money. I'm getting in, I'm getting out, baby. I'm getting in, I'm getting out. Make the money and walk away. If you guys haven't hit that like button, it's all free to like, by the way. It's actually the best thing you can do in your whole entire life is hit the like button. It basically, like, I don't want to say it guarantees you're going to get rich, but it's kind of like a good luck charm, you know? You hit the like button, and it's just like you see your account just go green, 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 green. Yeah, I'm going fishing. We're going to try to catch another swordfish. Gotta get a decent swordfish, you know? Fuck. Sword fishing is probably the most boring fishing there is because you literally just drop a bait 2,000 feet down and then wait for something to bite. But when you actually get like a 300-pound swordfish, it's pretty fucking wild. So that's always the goal. You're actually, I mean, it's kind of like you're just happy to get anything, to be honest. But I mean, 300, 400 pounds. The biggest one I've ever caught is 317 pounds. So got a personal record, 317. Need to break that. 500, baby. Get a nickel. 500-pounder. You catch a 500-pound swordfish, like, you're doing something. Like, that's a serious fucking monster of a fish. So, what's the best time to trade? Waiting for the opening. I would say probably fucking that first 5, 10, 15 minutes. Sometimes I would say honestly the best setup of the day normally is the second setup, right? You get that kind of crazy move at open, and then that second kind of flag or breakdown or breakup, whatever it is, that's normally like the money maker. So I like that second setup of the day. We get that first breakout, breakdown, whatever it is, wait for something to happen, and then it's like, okay, now we wait for that second thing to form, and then normally, you know, at that point, it's like, okay, now we're getting some action there. So right now, the ES, the NASDAQ, both at the pivot points. If you're just tuning in, you can see we got a pivot point. Why is this thing still on the fuck? It's on the wrong contract. I don't understand. Stop going to the wrong contract. All right, now we're on September. We got the pivot point right there at the 78s, 80 level. We got this little bit of a gap. We got this double top right here at the 90s. We have this overnight high up here at the 40s. So like I said, I think if we could push through the 300s, it'll be a quick kind of push up into the 25, 30, possibly squeeze the 40s. There's a pivot point all the way to the 400s. I'm not going to say we're going to get all the way to the 400s, but with that overnight high up there, it's kind of like, do we want to get there? Is it possible? Do we get the squeeze here? We got 12 minutes till market opens. And just waiting. That overnight high, just up there. Waiting. And same thing kind of on the ES right now as well. Very similar setup. ES, NASDAQ, both just getting very tight here. Pivot point, VWAP, possible squeeze here. 68s. I think the high overnight was 69 there on the ES. So that's the play. If we can hold here at the 40, I'd say this 44, 42 level, well, then we're heading downtown, obviously. But right now, still trading the September contracts. Pretty much I'll be trading September contracts until the volume gets better on the December. Right now, the volume is still higher on September, so no reason to change. Trading view just kind of rolls forward automatically, but you want to be careful and make sure you're trading the September contracts, which is trading at 15,276 right now on the NASDAQ. So, are you trading the ES today for the NASDAQ? No, we're trading NASDAQ, but always keeping an eye on the ES as well. We want to kind of be understanding of where both markets are at. They trade very similar. If the ES starts going straight up, well, then normally the NASDAQ starts going straight up. So for the September contracts, this is what you do. I'll just show you guys really quickly. Go to, because normally it'll say, it'll be like this. If you put in the NASDAQ on TradingView, but make sure you go here. It'll say like NASDAQ 1 exclamation mark. Well, you want to go down here to the NQU 2023. That's the contract that we're trading. NQU 2023 there on TradingView. All right, not the Z. That's why if you're seeing, if the price of your contract is 15,400 right now or whatever, that's why. So got to get above the 80s here on the NASDAQ. We'll see if we can get there. I need some love. Need some love. All right. Just kind of wait. Like I said, today's Friday. We're getting in, we're getting out, baby. We're getting in, we're getting out. Fresh Cash Friday, easy money. That's what all I want today. I want that easy money. There's a few different websites that show the volume on the like you can go to this website right here. Bar charts shows the volume sitting there, and you can see like open interest right now on the December contracts is 22,000. The volume there 25,000. And then if you go here, the NASDAQ pushing up there through the 80s right now. And then if you go to the actual September contracts, you can see open interest 243 with the actual volume at 114. So a lot more volume still on September. There's no reason to roll forward just yet. There's this breakout here on the 80s. Look at that going through the 80s now. We'll see if this is going to play out. The NASDAQ, the ES, both setting up here going into open. We got about 7 minutes here. It's Fresh Cash Friday. If you guys haven't hit that like button, you know what to do, baby. Bop, 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 bop. You guys got a lot. Like, where you all been at? Questions today. What? The dollar, DXY, is the chart that we use for the dollar. DXY. Like, how? Come on, guys. Everybody should know this stuff by now. The people asking the questions are not like first-time viewers as well, so not sure what you guys have been doing. Come on. Come on, guys. DXY. It's, I mean, it's not rocket science. Do I wait for the market open for my entry? Yes. Waiting for market open. We're pretty much right there at the gap right now on the ES there. And then the NQ, we're going to be pretty much right there at that gap as well from yesterday, which is pretty much right where we closed at. So we closed right at this level yesterday. There's a pivot point there at the 77s. This 80 area keeps holding us down on the NASDAQ for now. So like I said, waiting for the market to open and see what happens here. Ah, yes. Oh. Hey, man. Hear me? What's going on? Yeah, there's like a little kind of tail fender thing. It's like a little piece of plastic as well. Like right behind the fender, if you know what I mean, on the Raptor. Yeah, I'd like to do paint. I like to do color matte. Yeah, exactly.
Perfect. Yeah, that's fine. That. Yeah, that's fine. It's that Amex. I need to send it to you. I can text it to you. Yeah. Yeah, no worries. Yeah. Yeah, I'll send you a pic. All right, awesome. Thanks, man. Later.
Man, I'm busy, people. Got no time to talk about trucks right now. We're making money. Fresh Cash Friday, baby. All right, all right. So going into open right here, we got about 3 minutes. That 85 level's got to clear out. We keep getting stuck there. You can see multiple times getting stuck there at the 85s. If we can't clear out 85s, well, then you know what's going to happen here. Rip to the downside. But right now, the ES stuck there below the 60s. The high on that little push up on the ES earlier was 59, 50, 59. So we got multiple 15-minute candles kind of sitting at that level right now. And then we need to get through there, obviously. So this is kind of the setup I'm looking for. If we can get through here, that 300 level should not be hard to get through 300 up there to the 325, 40 level and see if we can't kind of swipe that high from the overnight. The high overnight there is 343. So that would be the ideal move, right? We get this breakout and we squeeze up there and take out that high one more time from the overnight. But it all comes down to if we can hold here at the VWAP, which right now not looking too juicy. But we do have another 2 minutes. Anything can happen in 2 minutes before the market opens here. I'm getting the fenders on the Raptor color match to the body, and then I'm getting it PPF, the whole thing wrapped with the matte color. With the I got all my trucks wrapped with like a matte color, so they'll all be that same kind of matte finish. Oh yeah. All right, going into open here, we got the 14 EMA acting as support right there. For now, we got the VWAP. We got the 70s. Whatever happened to moving to Hawaii? I already moved to Hawaii. A little late. About 3 years ago, bro. When I lived in Hawaii for 3 years. Moved back to Florida. What you talking about? You haven't watched the stream in 3 years, I guess. And yeah, the F-250 is waiting for the lift kit right now. So we got a minute here till the market opens. Let's get it, boys. Fresh Cash Friday, easy peasy mac and cheesy. We want to get that quick and easy money today. Let's wait for this setup to play out. Got 5 seconds. Got to hold here at the 70s or we're going downtown on the NASDAQ. Right now, holding there at the 70s. Gotta push here or we're going down. I want to see this thing take out 85s quickly here. Stuck there at the 85s again. Why? Why? Just go. Just go. Up there to the 90s. Beautiful. In and out, baby. Up there to the 90s again. Can we go through 300s here? He's trying to push. Go to the 300s already. Go straight up here. She's going straight up. We're Fresh Cash Friday in it. It's looking good. Oh, baby. Oh, my baby Jesus. Let's get through the 300s here. Let's get through the 300s. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Through the 300s there. 305s. We're making so much fucking money right now. It's off the charts, boys. Are you not impressed? Come on. Let's go. They're still going. She's still going, boys. Got to get through the 15s and then try to rip to the 20s next. Go right through that 15 level. Squeeze those bears. Got to go through there. Through there. Oh my God, I'm making so much. I'm fucking rich right now. I'm rich. I'm fucking rich, boys. I'm a rich bitch. Currently long here from the 87s. Like I said, looking for that push through the 85s, up there to the fucking 20s. Can we go a little more? I'm not selling. I'm not selling. Fuck you. Fuck you. Baby Jesus. I'm looking for a 30 push here. Take me to the 30s. I'm not fucking getting off till we get above 30. Till we get above 30 here. Up to the 25s currently. Go to the fucking 30s. Take me to the fucking moon. To the fucking moon. Oh, baby. All right. I'll take profit there of the 29s from the 87s. Like I said, did I not say it? God. It's just like, how do we not have a million people watching this? If people just watch the live stream, they'd all get rich. Rich, baby, rich. It would be too easy. Everybody be rich. Rich, bitch. I'm fucking rich, bitch. Up there through the 30s now. Oh, man. She's still going. Oh my God. Literally, come on, guys. I mean, look at this. Are you not impressed? I don't get it. How the fuck is there not 1,000 likes here on the stream right now? Look at this, still going. Are you fucking kidding me? Come on, boys. Come on. Let's do it, you know? I'm here to help. I'm here to help you. Let me help you. Let me help you. It's a joke at this point. It's literally a fucking joke. It's a joke. ICT who? I see motherfucking money. That's all I see. Motherfucking money. I see Patrick Wieland money. Oh, I love Fresh Cash Fridays. I put the shirt on today for you guys. I did it for you guys. I was like, hey, I need to make sure I put on this shirt for the boys. Let's make that fucking money, you know? Let's make the fucking money. It's too easy. It literally did exactly what we said it would do. I mean, it couldn't have been any more fucking spot on. It took out the highs perfectly. I mean, it held the 70s just like we said. It had to hold the 70s at open and fucking rip to the moon. And what did it do? It ripped to the fucking moon. Like I said, if you're not making money, you're watching the wrong fucking live stream. Nobody's doing it like this. Nobody. Let's go. Hit that like button, baby. A19 mobile detailing. I've made money with you all fucking week. Oh, fuck. I love it. I like to see it, baby. I like to see it. Daddy, I think Daddy's made too much money today. I gotta stop. I gotta stop. I gotta stop. What it is, but the best part is I literally said, hey, this thing's going through the 30s. I'm not selling until we get above the 30s. On the day right now, looking at multiple accounts here. About $7,000 on the day, so. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. She might still have more room to run. We're holding up here. Got to get through that 350 level next. Right now, tapping 350s, tapping 350s there. The squeeze is fucking real, boys. The squeeze is motherfucking real. Through the 50s, up there to the 52s. Got to go, go, go. 60s up there next. Can she go all the way to the 60s here? You just don't want any hesitation. You want this thing going, taking out fucking, taking them out. Taking them out. Right now, trying to push through the 52s. You got to go, go, go here. On the book map, you can see there, sitting at the 50s, trying to hold it down. Got to go through. Need a boner candle to the upside. Possibly go into the 70s next. Possibly go into the fucking 70s. Up there to the 54s. Up there to the 54s. Let's fucking go. I mean, it's just, it's too easy. It's too fucking easy sometimes. The best part is, it's just like, how good was this move? The funny part was, I saw people this morning like, I don't like this setup. I'm like, what are you talking about? We're about to make fucking money. We're about to make fucking money. We're about to make fucking money. The best part, I think this setup was so good too because of this right here. With that, knowing that there was that overnight high there at the 25 to 40s, it was game on. Like, where's the market gonna go? If we break out here at open, where's it gonna go? Just think about it. Like, where is the market gonna go if we break out there at open? It's not rocket science, my friends. You know what I mean? Like, it's not fucking rocket science. Look at that 15-minute candle. This honestly might have been the best setup of the whole entire week right here. The best part is you could have literally just like at any point gotten long and you would have made money. You could have gotten long at the fucking 310s, the 320s, the 330s, the 340s and made money on this move. If you guys made money today in the chat, let me know. Did you make money watching Patrick Wieland live on YouTube? Let me know in the chat. Anybody make any money today? Anybody making money? Who's making money? Who's making money today? Oh, look at that. Oh, everybody's making fucking money watching Patrick Wieland live on YouTube. Oh my God, it's fucking amazing. Doing this free every day, live on fucking YouTube. 7,000, 2,500. Let's fucking go. Oh. Hey, the best part is, guess what, guys? It's time to just walk away. I can just walk away now. I can just fucking walk away, enjoy the rest of the day, and say, fuck it, right? Like, I can literally just be like, peace out. You know, easy money. Why do anything other than make easy money? I just don't get it. People are going to be like, but Patrick, you know, why don't you keep trading? I'm like, why? Why? My goal this morning, like I said, on Twitter was very simple. Fucking walk away, make the money and walk away. I literally posted this on Twitter this morning. I couldn't have made it any more clear. It's Fresh Cash Friday, baby, on Twitter. Plan today is hit the big move at open and walk away before 10 a.m. It's currently 9:40 in the morning. I got a boat to go look at. $300,000 boat, about to go pay cash money. Do. All right, here we go. If you guys aren't following me on Twitter, hit me up on Twitter at Wieland Trades. What do we got? Who else? We had this guy earlier. Freaking, I love this. This is my favorite. I love when people like talk shit on Twitter. Like, how badass are you? Only I can talk shit on Twitter. Nobody else can. Oh, this guy lost 20 grand today. Ouch. You know what he did? You know exactly what he did. He shorted. Big time Twitter trader shorting the open. Obviously, he's not watching the Patrick Wieland live stream. I mean, I'm not trying to be a hater, but clearly he's not watching the Patrick Wieland fucking live stream if he lost $20,000 today. I guarantee he fucking shorted at open. I guarantee it. I can guarantee that. Shorting at open today was not the right way to go, my friends. But I love this kind of shit. Oh, you know, if I spot you in Miami, we'll see who's the numbnuts. Like, get out of here. You ain't gonna say shit. You ain't gonna do shit. You ain't gonna do shit. You ain't gonna do shit. Nah, he lost $20,000 shorting at open. I guarantee it. There's no way you could have lost money today if you went long. Unless you bought at fucking 60 and dumped it at 40, I guess, maybe. But other than that, I mean, you'd have to be really, really bad at trading to lose money going long today. You'd have to like really fucking be bad at trading. So I don't know. Either way, you'd have to, like I said, you'd have to be real fucking bad. Real bad. It happens. Hey, everybody has loses. I get it. All right. Like I said, I'm pretty much tapped out here. I made my money. And now I can go and enjoy the weekend. Go fishing. Go buy a boat. Fucking sit on the fucking just chill. Fresh Cash Friday. This is all I ever want right here. Fresh Cash Friday. I want that big move. I want to get in. I want to make the money. I want to walk away. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. If you guys haven't already hit the like button, if we get 1,000 likes here, we'll do a giveaway. 1,000 likes giveaway. If you got it, let's go. Can we do it? Let's see. Probably not. You guys are weak today on the like button. Weak on the like button. You. All right. So I think I'm done. Like I said, there's just no reason for me to really do anything here. So pretty happy with that, guys. If you want to keep the party going, don't worry. Inside Market Flow Trader Community, Sage is live for the rest of the day. So if you guys want to check it out, it's live for the rest of the day there. It's $500 to sign up. It's 1 month of the stages is included for now, and then after that, it's off to the races. So, like I said, guys, there is nothing wrong with taking profit and walking away. So that's what I'm doing. I'm fucking getting out of here. I'm gonna go enjoy the weekend. I'm gonna fucking take my profits and peace out. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. Fresh Cash Friday. If you can't make money off a 100-point move or a 40, 50, 60-point move at open, you're not doing it right. Something is wrong with your trading style. All right, something's wrong, because everybody that fucking understands how to trade, that tuned into the live stream this morning, you saw the setup. You had it perfect. Look how perfectly this held. I even said, as long as we hold the 70s, we're going to the fucking moon. We hit 70 right there at open. We couldn't sell through the 70s. Well, guess what? It's going to the fucking moon. And the best part is, there's no, like, we don't even need to do anything now. You don't need to chase it. You don't need to FOMO. It was that simple. 70s, bam. We took out the highs. Everything played out exactly like we talked about. This is literally doing exactly what we said. This is what's so great about trading when you have a plan. We had the setup, boom. We take out that high, boom. And now maybe it pulls back. We were literally looking for this push up, kind of take out that high, and then after that, fucking go fishing, man. If you missed it, how'd you miss it? Were you brushing your teeth? Were you brushing your teeth? What are you doing? Can't be brushing your teeth. Do I see any other play according to Bookmap? I don't even care, to be honest. I'm not even like, don't even care. I don't care if the market goes up 100 points, 200 points, 300 points, 500 points. I made my money. I'm walking away. It's Fresh Cash Friday, and that's how we do it. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. So I like it, you know, easy. I'm in and out. I'm in, I'm out. I'm in, I'm out. I'm in, I'm out. So let's go. I think the guys over on Topstep TV are still live. If you want to check them out, I'm going to get out of here, but go check out the Topstep TV. Tell them you made some money with Patrick Wieland this morning. And I'll see you guys Monday morning for Mega Money Mondays. Mega Money Mondays. We're dancing. We're partying. Look at it. Still ripping. Another push off of the 14 EMA. Look at that. I talked about this 14 EMA setups here. Look at that thing. Off the 14 EMA one more time. You got to love the 14 EMA sometimes, my friends. But yeah, if you guys want to go check out the Topstep live stream, they're live over there right now. I'm out of here. I'm going to go enjoy the weekend. Like I said, go tell the Topstep guys what's up. And tell them how we did it this morning. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. Make the money. We out. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, Monday morning. Monday morning. Mega Money Mondays coming to you live on YouTube, 9:15 a.m. Thanks for watching. Enjoyed the action. I like it. Just easy peasy. No drama, no issues. Just make the money and we get out of here. So I'll see you guys here next Monday. So peace to the Middle East. Love you. Enjoy the weekend, boys. Take your money and run.